Thank you for that live report. And our team coverage now turns to tough conversations many local families are facing with their children following Tuesday's deadly school shooting. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde joins us live in studio after speaking to a mental health expert. Briseida.
Yeah, Chris, while this is an unimaginable tragedy, health experts we spoke to today say it's important for parents to talk to their children truthfully about the events that unfolded.
The Western Mass community is mourning with those in Texas who have lost loved ones in Tuesday's deadly school shooting in Texas.
But we need to ensure that our children, right, which are the future, are safe.
Secretary of Health and Human Services Mary Lou Sutters in Springfield on Wednesday, reacting to the tragedy, telling Western Mass News as a country, lawmakers have not taken action to keep children safe following the deadly school shooting in Newtown, Connecticut.
Nothing has changed at the congressional level. Massachusetts has some of the strongest gun safety laws in the United States. And so that's something that we should feel good about in our state.
The question of mental health always comes up after mass shootings. Secretary Sutter says resources need to be provided at an early age.
Right, that's really where we should start, is in early childhood in our school systems of how children need to behave and act. And if we see a child having struggles, right, is to intervene in a positive way and not wait to some, awful event if that's what occurs.
Meanwhile, families across our area are faced with tough conversations at home. Chair of Psychiatry at Bay State Health, Dr. Barry Sarvet, tells us while the discussions may be hard, it is important to address the school shooting with your children and the emotions anyone may be feeling.
I think it's appropriate for parents to be honest about their feelings about what's happening, about the need for us as a society to do something about this. I think we have to be very careful that we're not normalizing, these things any more than it's already been normalized.
And in light of the shooting, some children may be scared to go back to school. Dr. Sarvet says it's important to reassure your kids that the classroom is a safe space.
The statistical probability that on a given day that there's going to be a school shooting in their school is really negligible.
Now, Secretary Sutter says conversations about violence and mass shootings need to be ongoing. And as a country, we need to continue working to keep our children safe in school. For now, live in studio, Briseida Landaverde, Western Mass News.